Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car. Now, about a year or so ago, we sprayed a car in the world's darkest, blackest paint. And it went pretty good. It was quite a popular video. It was only a matter of time before we came across this right here. This is White 2.0 from culturehustle.com. And according to them, this is the world's brightest white paint. Now, we've used multiple products from them before, and all of them have lived up to the hype. So I'm very excited to see how this turns out. The world's brightest white paint going down on a car today. Enjoy the video. Now, as far as the process, very straightforward. This, like some of the other specialty paints we've used, is an acrylic, and we will be reducing it a bit with water in order for it to properly spray out of our HVLP spray gun. Now, this claims to have great coverage. We're going to be spraying it over a peelable white Plasti Dip base on the DYC Mustang. So no matter how it turns out, we'll be able to peel it off and go back to the original OEM finish when we're done. I am extremely excited to see how this turns out. Let's get started. All right, guys, we're all done with today's project and a couple quick things to cover. First of all, we purchased 3 1-liter bottles of the White 2.0, hoping that would be enough for full coverage over the white base on the Mustang, and sure enough, it was. This product does have good coverage, especially for a white paint, even with the reduction that we did with the water. As far as durability, as far as practicality on a car, does it make sense to apply this to a car that's going to be daily driven? I don't think so. Matte white anything is very easy to stain. This is no different. We didn't want to ruin the finish, so we didn't seal it with any clears. If you guys are really interested in knowing if this can be sealed with a clear for practical long-term use, let us know in the comments below and we'll do that testing. But we wanted to show it to you right out of the bottle the way that it's supposed to be done. So we're going to take it outside right now. Is this the brightest white paint in the world? Well, it's sure as heck the brightest white paint I've ever seen. I want you to rate this car. 1, it's not bright at all. 5, it's the brightest white you've ever seen. I'm so excited to see what you guys think. The car is very hard to look at in the direct sun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. It's Fonzie. If you want to dip your own car, click up here. Tons of colors and kits to choose from. I'll see you guys on the next video.